Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Infosolution India. In last video, we have discussed how to install WordPress on domain and how to host your domain into hosting. Hope you like this video. Today we will discuss how to update TXT record and your hosting IP in domain. Now I'm open my hosting account and I want to add domain in my hosting. Go to add-on domain and I want to add this domain in my hosting. Enter domain name and click on add-on domain. Sometimes we are facing this error for when we add domain in hosting. So we have to add this TXT record in domain account in DNS. Just copy this TXT and go to your domain where your domain is hosted. Go to DNS section and change this name server to default name server. Continue. Now go to add DNS record. Now we have to update TXT record in domain. We can see our by default name server is updated on this domain. After that we have to create add TXT record. Click on add, select TXT, in value, just paste this TXT record value. We have copy from hosting this and select 1 hour and add TXT record. Here DNS is updated. It will take 48 hours to update. Just wait. And one more thing we have to update in domain is hosting IP. Just copy your hosting IP address from here and update. Go to domain and edit this A record and edit this A record in the value of path update IP and just save. Now this will taking 48 hours to update A record and TXT record. After updating this record, now we have to again open hosting and go to add-on domain and enter this domain name and click on add domain. Now you can see our domain style maniac.in is added successfully in our host.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel.